Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your December reading. So, general and the person on your mind. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, okay, over here. So, ito pa. Okay, message na lang po, no? So, ito po yung ating cord cutting, yung pangtanggal po ng blockages. Okay? Panglahatan, sa love, sa money, sa kung ano man, sa buhay mo. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo may blockages ka, hindi maganda ang daloy, hindi maganda ang energy. So, yes, pwede ito yung mga tulong sa'yo. Okay, and syempre, yung ating mga charms ito. So, ito yung 2-in-1 Love and Money bracelet natin with citrine stone. So, pwede ito sa business, sa pamimeron nyo in general, and syempre, sa connections. Okay, sa love. Kung lalaki ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Nothing to worry. Okay, and yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter po. So, ganyan. So, ito, dito mo pwedeng i-customize. So, yung iyong mga ginugusto sa buhay. Okay. Unlike dito, ito, ipoprovide nito yung para sa'yo. Okay. Even though, yes, hindi mo hihilingin, ganto ganyan. Kung anong dapat sa'yo, ibibigay niya. Okay. Dito naman, pwede kang humiling. Pwede kang mag-wish, pwede kang mag-manifest. Iga-grant niya. Again, kung wala kang blockage, papasok at papasok. Pero kung may blockage ka, matitira lang siya, ma-stuck lang siya sa frequency mo, okay, at mabubugbog ng mga evil eye na ibabato sa'yo kung sakali man. Okay? Tandaan nyo po yun. And syempre, para maalis nga yung blockages, so ito po yung pwede. Okay, so talagang in-advise ko na kung itong dalawang to yung purchase nyo, wag nyo na tong isa walang ano, 'di ba? Isa walang bahala ba? Oo, wag nyo na tong chipwera, naku, Diyos ko. No, so ano pa ba yan? Yung ating mga evil eye protection, they're all available. So ito yung ating samples. So, ito yung ating necklace. Ito yung ring natin. Ring natin is adjustable, by the way. Okay, and bracelets. Meron tayong bracelets na evil eye protection. Syempre, meron din tayo noong ating cleansing kit. Okay? So, hindi na kailangan maghintay ng full moon para kayo ay makapag-recharge ng inyong mga charms and crystals. Yes. Okay? And syempre, yung ating, ang tawag dyan, yung bago, yung ating attracting spray, no? Yung ating love /attracting spray, no? So, pwede sa love, connection, sa business, okay? To gain more clients, to gain more customers, yan, mga ganyan, para makakota ka. Yan, no? So, yun po, no? And again, may pinost si admin na bago, our healing oil, okay? So, with collaboration, okay? May kakolab kami doon, pero ayaw niya magpakilala. Anyway, so there. Yes. So again, kung may mga tanong pa po, no, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Okay? So, again, gamit tayo ng oracle and then clarified by tarot. Okay. So, what's for you this December Cancer placements? What's for our Cancerians? Child. Kanina, nung nag-shuffle ako, yung nakita ko is pregnancy. Oh, are you ready for a mini you this December? A child could be pregnancy, or there's something significant about a child. So what else? Cancer pathway. Wow, it's like new direction, new pathway, opportunities, okay, na dapat i-grab ngayong February, ngayong December. So what else? Last Imprisonment. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito is getting out of your comfort zone energy. Getting out of your comfort zone this December. Yeah. Okay? So, it's like learning new things, learning new stuff. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? It's like, yun nga, pag-alis sa nakasanayan. Kasi kapag nandyan ka lang sa nakasanayan mo, ayan lang yan eh. No? Palagi tandaan nyo, outside ng inyong comfort zone, nandoon lahat ng blessings, nandoon lahat ng opportunities. Even though, yes, it's frightening, okay, na lumabas sa inyong comfort zone, ganun talaga. No? It's, yeah, bago eh. Diba? Bago. So, lagi naman tayo nagsisimula sa umpisa. Dumaan naman tayo noon dati sa ganun. So, I give it a try. Okay? So, what's with this child? What's with this child? So, number 18, 35, 29 could be significant. Okay? So, what's with this child? The moon. Ooh. Ayun na nga. Some of you, this could be a secret pregnancy. Or pwedeng a surprise. Pwedeng may magre-reveal na they're pregnant. Okay? I'm hearing i-revealing gender this December. Okay? What's with it? What's with this pathway? Excuse me, yung aking lalamunan, bakit ganon? Meron ditong ayaw ibigay itong inyong mensahe. Oo. Kasi para akong pinipigilan magsalita. Yeah. Hinaharangan yung aking lalamunan. Nakakainis. So, ano tong pathway? Yeah, opportunities, offer. New opportunities this December in general. Okay? Yeah, this could be frightening, nakakatakot, ay baka ako mag-fail or whatsoever, BS. Okay? Yeah. So, are you ready na lumabas sa iyong comfort zone? What's with this imprisonment? Imprisonment. Iba rito may mga mag-i-invest. I'm hearing this is like overthinking. Overthinking. Stress. Yeah, the star universe. Some of you, there's this air sign who's like thinking of you. Nakakulong ka na sa utak ng taong to. Parang ganyan eh. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua, Aquarius. This could be a person from your past, I think. Or somebody na pwedeng lagi kang iniisip araw-araw, gabi-gabi, minu-minuto, segundo. Okay, yeah. This could be a past person. Or pwedeng may nangyaring hindi okay sa pagitan nyo. Okay? You're renting in your mind. You're renting in their mind. Living in their mind, rent-free. What's with this? 5 of Swords? Anong meron? What's with this? The 7 of Wands. Pwedeng meron itong gustong gawin, gustong i-action. Pero yun nga, maraming humaharang, no, sa situation ninyo. It could be, the situation itself. Okay? Yeah, meron kayo unfinished business. Marami siyang gustong gawin, marami siyang gustong i-offer, ipakita. Okay? So, yeah. So, let's see. May chance ba na maggawa ng action to? Kasi gusto niya, may plano. We have here fire sign. Gagawa ba ng plano to ngayong December kung sino man to? The 9 of Wands. Andun yung energy ng trust. I think, sa tingin ko parang hindi pa niya kaya. Okay? Pwedeng sarili niya, hindi niya kaya pa. Hindi siya nagtitiwala sa situation, hindi siya nagtitiwala sa sarili niya, mga ganyang bagay. So, I think, patuloy pa rin ito na mag-iisip sa'yo, no? Ngayong December. Okay. So, next, let's go sa inyong person. The person on your mind, Cancer. Let's see. Cancer. The person on your mind. Okay, who is this? Para alam mo na siya ito. Anong meron sa kanya, Cancer? Sino to? The King of Swords in reverse. I'm hearing a narcissist. Okay? You're a liar. Could be an aqua. What's with this King of Swords in reverse? The world. Okay. So, nilayuan mo tong taong to. Some of you po, LDR kayo. Alam mong nagsisinungaling or nagsinungaling sa'yo tong taong to. Some of them now, they want forgiveness. They want another chance with you. Yeah, the Sun. Parang namamaniobra ka ng taong to. Alam mo yun sa sarili mo. Okay? Pwedeng, alam mo yung katotohanan, pero siya itong parang pinipilit niya pa rin kung ano yung kanya. Okay? Pero, yeah. Ano kailangan mong malaman sa person? Ano kailangan mong malaman? The Three of Swords in reversed. And the Knight of Pentacles in reversed. They want to take action. Gusto nilang makipag-ayos. Gusto nilang i-fix kung ano man yung kailangan i-fix sa situation. But then, wala silang effort. Wala silang gaanong effort. Okay, we have here pair. So, a Queen of Swords is here and the King of Swords. Pwedeng may galit kayo sa isa't isa. Or galit ka sa kanya. And you know you can trust him or her. Okay, you're stuck. Marami kang isipin, marami kang tanong. Pero itong taong to, sa tingin ko, meron kang hinihingi. Okay, hinihiling na kung ano man. Pero hindi nila ginagawa. It's like pinapaasa ka and lalo kang ginagalit. No? Oo, parang lalo kang ginagalit. The Hermit in reverse. Pwedeng wala kang nakikita sa kanya sa ngayon. Wala kang naririnig. Kung ano man. Kung ito po ay kakonect nyo ngayon and malamang sa malamang kayo ay magkalayo. Pwede pong LDR to. No? Because of the world. Hindi mo alam. Pero kinukutuban ka na. Itong taong to is gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Okay? Gumagawa ng kasinungalingan, ganito, ganyan. Okay, you see them as somebody na walang gaanong aksyon pagdating sa inyo. Okay, so let's see what is their real emotion. Oh, pakita ang Five of Cups in reverse. Iba sa inyo nalaglag dito sa the world. Iba sa inyo talagang pinapalagpas mo lang palagi. No? Pinapalagpas mo lang palagi or parang hindi mo masyadong binibigyang issue. Okay? Pwedeng dumaan ka sa ganun. Noon, I think. So, what is their emotion for you? Deep, deep down. The Hermit. Could be a Virgo. What's with this Hermit? Ooh, the Devil. Capricorn. There's this obsession. I'm hearing lust. You're time waster, I think. You're time waster. Emotionally, nandun yung energy ng magka-crave sa'yo. Pero wala akong makitang energy ng green flag. Pwedeng sex-based kayo ng person. Yeah. Magaling siya magmanipula. Yeah. Meron ditong attachments. Iba sa inyo, hindi niya talaga pinapakita yung totoong emosyon para ikaw yung parang totally ma-attach dito. Totally mag-invest ng mag-invest. Para malaman mo yung kanilang emosyon. Kasi, yun nga, pwedeng hindi nila pinapakita totally. Naguguluhan ka. Gumagawa ka ng way para makita mo. So, ang gusto ng taong to, mag-crave ka Mag-crave ka ng mag-crave sa kanya. So, let's see. Yeah. This is toxic. Yeah. Nagpakita to. Ace of Pentacles, universe. Hang on. Hang on. Tayo mag-lens. I can't. So, okay. What is their next action? What is their next action? Next action towards you, Cancer. The Hanged Man. Pasahin ka, andyan yung energy na parang, di ba? Mag-expect ka. Yes. Yan nga, di ba? Yun yung nakita natin kanina. The King of Pentacles. This is like all about themselves. Your person is a narcissist. Your person is selfish. Yeah, they're practical. Mas inuuna nito sarili nila kaysa sa'yo. Mas inuuna nila yung kapakanan nila, makukuha nila, kaysa sa'yo. Okay? They are so toxic. So toxic. Grabe. Paasayan ka nito. Paikutin ka sa kaniyang mga palad. No? Nagsisinungaling to, iba sa kanila, hindi sila totoo sa mga sinasabi nila sa inyo, lalo na po kung online lang kayo nag-uusap. Ha? So, anong outcome? Potential outcome nyo this December. Yung ganito. Ganitong connection. Potential outcome. The Magician. And the Tower in reversed. The Four of Wands. So, yeah. Still, stuck ka dito sa connection nyo. Okay? Stuck. Asa ka ng asa. Mag-manifest ka na. Mag-manifest. So, it's like, kakailanganin mo ng kakailanganin yung person. Mag-crave ka sa connection na to. Hindi mo kayang alisan. Hindi mo kayang i-avoid. Okay? Mabibigyan ka ng takot ng taong ito na gumawa ka ng sarili mong desisyon kasi pwedeng yun nga ipaparamdam sa'yo ng taong to na kailangan mo yung mga bibitawan niyang salita bago ka gumalaw. Nakakarindi, nakakainis, magagalit ka talaga dito. Okay? Para kang aasa ng aasa dito. Hindi pala parang talagang aasa ka. Hindi ka pa natututo na maging selfish. Some of you. Hindi ka pa natututo mag-set ng healthy boundaries from your person. Paikutin ka ng paikutin ito. Tatakutin ka. Ganto, ganyan. Yes. Mag-breadcrumb yan sa'yo. Magla-love bomb. Okay? Siyempre, pakikitaan ka niya ng mga small hints, small gestures, love gestures, para makita mong meron siyang ibinibigay. Okay? Magsisilbi kasing malaking senyalis yun na gusto ka nung tao. Ayun yung parang titingnan mo dun, kahit sabihin nating maliit. Yes. Manipulation at its finest. 100%. Okay? Wag na. Oh my gosh. Don't settle for this one. Don't settle. Okay? Don't settle. Your person, number one, is they're a liar. You can't trust them. You can't. Okay? So, Cancer, all signs are through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, and again. Kung may mga tanong, message po, wag sa comment section. Okay? So, Aries, feeling insecure. they have a lot of insecurities. Taurus, pwedeng mayroong mag-unblock na Taurus. Gemini, they want to know something. Some of them pwedeng may share sa'yo. Cancer, they're guarded. So, Leo, they're trying na maging silent. Andun yung parang inaaral ka ni Leo. Virgo, they have a lot of trust issues. They can't trust you. Yeah. Libra, secrets. I'm hearing secrets. Some of them, they're trying to mirror you. Scorpio, they want a good communication with you. They want clarity, they want closure if ever, they want answers. Or maybe you'll hear from them, okay? Pwedeng, yeah, communication is coming in with a Scorpio. So, Sagittarius, they are, expecting something from you, or maybe ikaw sa kanya. Andiyan yung pag-i-invest, okay? They're watching you. Capricorn, I think they like you. Yeah, they like you. They're passionate. Pero I think hindi sila ganoon na nagiging open about that. Okay, so Aquarius, there could be a third party involved. Pwedeng situation, the situation is not giving. No, parang ang tawag dyan, maraming hadlang sa connection with an aqua. So, Pisces, there's this fast communication na pwedeng mangyari with a Pisces, pero hindi siya magiging consistent. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung isa po nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.